Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about deck maintenance in a rainy climate like ours. Seattle's weather is tough on outdoor structures, but that does not mean you need a complicated routine. With a few simple habits and the right materials, you can keep your deck solid and safe for many seasons. Let us start with wood decks. Wood looks great, but it needs care. In our climate, it is a good idea to give your deck a proper cleaning at least once a year, and sometimes more if it sits under trees or in heavy shade. That means sweeping off debris, then gently washing away dirt and mildew so water does not sit on the surface and in the gaps. After cleaning, you can really see the condition of the boards. Look for graying, peeling finish, raised grain, or soft spots where the wood stays damp. Those are signs it may be time to recoat with a stain or sealer designed for exterior decks. Good gaps between boards and clear drainage paths help too, because they let the deck dry out between storms instead of staying constantly wet. Composite and vinyl systems need a different kind of care. Composite boards from brands like TimberTech and Trex do not need staining or sealing, but they still collect dirt, pollen, and sometimes mildew if shaded and damp. A gentle wash with the right cleaners a few times a year usually keeps them in good shape. Waterproof vinyl surfaces such as Duradeck also benefit from regular cleaning, along with checks around drains and edges. Beyond surface cleaning, we recommend a quick safety check once a year. Walk your deck and feel for soft or bouncy spots. Grab railings and give them a firm shake. Look at the stair treads and stringers for cracks or movement. If you can, take a peek underneath to check for big splits in beams or joists, rusted hardware, or areas where the deck meets the house. Catching issues early usually means smaller fixes. Pay attention to items around the deck too. Planters that sit directly on the surface, outdoor rugs that never move, or piles of leaves in the corners all hold moisture against the material. Lifting planters onto feet, moving rugs occasionally, and keeping corners clean makes a real difference in how long boards and finishes last. If maintenance has fallen behind and your deck looks tired or unsafe, it might be time for a deeper assessment. Sometimes a strong cleaning and a new finish can bring a wood deck back to life. Other times, resurfacing with composite or planning a replacement is the smarter long-term move. The key is to be honest about the condition and how much work you are willing to keep doing. If you would like help figuring out whether your deck needs simple maintenance, repairs, or a bigger upgrade, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we build and maintain decks with our weather in mind, so you can enjoy your outdoor space without worrying every time it rains. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will talk with you in the next episode.